Outrageous and shocking news from the United Kingdom. Tommy Robinson, the journalist and civil rights activist, has been arrested because he will not give police the password to his cell phone without a search warrant. Police are abusing a provision of the Terrorism Act, which allow them to search terrorists without a search warrant in a case of a ticking time bomb when there's no time for legal process. Tommy is obviously not a terrorist, has not been accused of terrorism. They're using that law, they're abusing that law to sweep him off the streets and take him into custody so he cannot attend his peaceful protest tomorrow. It sort of makes the point about how justice in the UK is increasingly injustice. Well, the rally is proceeding, and Tommy has asked me to come to London to give a speech there. I'm hopping on a plane in a few hours. I'll be there tomorrow morning, but there's something more important that I'm going to do when I'm in London. I'm going to attend his hearing at Woolwich County Court on Monday morning, and that is a much more grave situation. He is being prosecuted for contempt of court for publishing a documentary about censorship. The documentary can be found at the top of Tommy's Twitter feed. It's been seen 55 million times, and that has outraged the British government. They seek to put him in prison literally 4 years. I will be at the county court on Monday morning because I do not trust the UK regime journalists. The mainstream media there, they despise Tommy. They don't really care much about civil liberties like freedom of speech, and they hate the fact that he's shining a light on the problems in the UK, especially those regarding migrants. I will be there as an independent journalist. If you can help me get from North America to London tonight and help me stay in the UK so I can cover this court case on Monday, I'd be grateful. Go to tommytrial.com. That's a crowdfund for my economy class airfare to London. As you know, we've also set up a different crowdfund just for Tommy's legal fees. That's a different project, and I have no access to those funds myself. If you can help me get over there at tommytrial.com, that will help me be at the speech tomorrow to give my speech, the rally tomorrow to give my speech, and more importantly, to cover the hearing on Monday. I am worried that if the only thing the world learns about Tommy's hearing on Monday is from the BBC state broadcaster or the rest of the regime media, they will not know the truth. Please help me get to London tonight so I can report the truth from Woolwich County Court on Monday. I'm afraid there's a real risk that Tommy will be sent to prison. That court is actually adjacent to HMP Belmarsh, the Guantanamo Bay of British prisons, and I'm worried that they seek to put Tommy in there directly on Monday. Go to tommytrial.com and I'll see you tomorrow in London.